Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got this 1971 MGB GT finished in flame red. As you can see, the car is fitted with a desirable folding fabric sunroof, which fits well, closes nicely, doesn't seem to leak. Car's sat on a set of chrome wire wheels which really suit the car. Overall condition of the car is absolutely superb. It's one of the nicest examples we've had for a while. As you can see, panel fit's all good, paint finish is very nice. Clearly been restored at some point in the past, but from the heritage certificate it appears it's always been this colour. As I say, overall it presents extremely nicely. Chrome work's all good, badging's all correct, sits nice and square. Drove very nicely on test. Overdrive kicks in and out very smoothly. All the trims in good condition, the glass is nice. Quite often we see drop glasses scratched, but these are all good. Fitted with these rather smart bullet style mirrors, very reminiscent of the period. Interior has obviously been refurbished at some point in the past as well. It's fitted with these period correct vinyl, but with brushed velour centres, which they only fitted for a couple of years. Got a nice motor-liter steering wheel there. Being the later version, it's also got the rocker switches. Everything seems to work fine. Very useful space in the back. Certainly get a good set of golf clubs in there, and even the weekly shopping. But again, all in really tidy condition. Let's just have a look under the bonnet. So, yeah, the car ticks over nicely, it's very steady. No issues there at all. Again, everything in good shape. So that nice motor-liter steering wheel. Car's warmed up, oil pressure's good at about 50 psi. It's only showing 960 miles, which quite clearly isn't from new. I suspect it's probably been around at least once before. But there we are. Overall, a really nice example. GTs are extremely difficult to find in this condition. So many have succumbed to becoming roadsters, but this has got to be one of the nicest ones out there. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.